Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm sharing my homemade Tom Yum Goong, a spicy, tangy, and creamy Thai soup that tastes better than restaurant style. I'll show you how to build a powerful soup base using fresh herbs and shrimp heads for maximum flavor. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare the aromatics. Cut the galangal. Remove the hard middle stem from the lime leaves. Pound the lemongrass to release flavor, then cut into pieces. Slice your lime. Prepare coriander leaves and bird's eye chili. Pro tip: don't throw away the coriander stems. They add amazing flavor to the broth. Step 2. Build the flavorful shrimp stock. In a pot, add boiling water, shrimp heads, galangal lemongrass, ginger lime leaves, coriander stems, fish sauce, salt, and pepper. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the flavors are fully released. You'll smell that rich, aromatic Thai fragrance. Step 3. Strain the soup base. Strain everything out. Keep only the clear, flavorful shrimp broth. This is the secret to restaurant-style Tom Yum. Step 4. Build the soup into the clear broth. Add tomatoes, onion, let it boil. Then add mushrooms, bird's eye chili, Tom Yum paste. Let it simmer until fragrant. Step 5. Add the shrimp. Add the shrimp and cook for only 2 to 3 minutes. Don't overcook. Shrimp cooks very fast. Step 6. Final flavor boost. Add a few fresh lime leaves, freshly squeezed lime juice, then pour in evaporated milk or coconut milk. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Step 7. Garnish and finish. Turn off the heat. Add fresh coriander leaves and a few lime slices on top. And that's it. Your homemade Tom Yum is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Indoorsy Mom for more delicious homemade recipes. Comment below, do you like your Tom Yum creamy or clear? See you in my next video. Bye!